It's day one of Groundsfest and we're on the Approved Hydraulics stand, which is a name many people will know, but maybe not necessarily what we're here to see. But first and foremost, Adam, how are you getting on?
Very well, good day today. First time we've done this show as well. I've had a cracking morning, 30-40 inquiries so far. Yeah, great start to the day, great start to the show.
Yeah, which is great, and I bet a lot of inquiries have been about this brand here, which we're starting.
It has actually, yeah.
What is this?
This is new to us, so this is Ceccato from Italy. They do a range of chippers, log splitters and drag flails.
Okay.
A lot of interest in the log splitters. We do a lot in the forestry market, as you know anyway, so this is sort of where our heart lies. They do a full range of splitters from 6-ton units up to 25-ton units, PTO driven, engine driven, electric motor driven, full range of equipment on chippers and drag flails. Yeah, full range of kit from Italy. They've been around for 135 years, so long-standing company.
Yeah, long-standing company, but not one many will know in the UK.
Not in the UK. As far as I'm aware, they've never been in the UK, so they tell me. I've never heard of them myself until I found them about 8 months ago. We've had some back and forth on the conversation, and we bit the bullet about 6 weeks ago to buy some kit ready for the show.
Okay. So what was it about the brand then? What appeals to you about it?
The first thing that appealed to it is the look of it, actually. They're built to quality, not to price. However, the pricing's very, very good in the market. But you can see, you know, they're really well finished, you know, safety designed in, just, you know, built really, really well. Built for the customer's work, you know, not just to look good, they're built well, built really well.
Built well for the kind of professional customers. Well.
Yeah, they do a full range, like I say, from the small end, from your gardening guy in the garden, all the way up to, you know, full forestry working guys. So there's a lot to offer there, a lot to offer.
Okay. So you've got a few on stand, as you mentioned. Maybe we'll just look at a couple, but let's start with this one here. Yep. What is this one specifically we're standing next to?
This is a 16-ton PTO log splitter. So this is typical 3-point linkage pickup on the back of a tractor. 16-ton splitting unit. 2 beds on it, so you've got a 1200 travel stroke here. If you want, you can put a second bed on, brings it to about 600, so you don't have it as long. Double handle operation, legal, up top, and also double handle operation from the side as well with log clamp system. So yeah, very versatile. Very versatile.
Okay. Are you finding log splitting something you're finding a lot of interest in? Because I guess this is relatively new for you guys.
It's new for us, but we've been in the forestry for so long. I've seen these things for donkey's years on other people's stands, and we just wanted to expand our range. You know, we've done the same thing now for quite some time, and I wanted to grow the market. But also coming down to the Groundsfest, it's not all forestry guys here, so it just opens up a whole new market to us. But I know the crossover from these two markets, you know, it is common. So we've had a lot of interest,
Okay. So this is probably the main one, but you've got a few over here. We maybe just work our way down the, down the line.
Yep.
Cameraman will follow us here. So
yeah, this is a smaller one.
Yep.
This is a 10-ton unit. Again, it's got the double clamp system and the double jaw safety system when you use it. This is a petrol engine driven with a Honda GP 160 engine. So it's also very portable because you can just maneuver it around. So it's completely standalone, no tractor or anything needed. And it's spring return when you use it, so it goes down, spring return up, log on, log off. Very straightforward system. Straightforward system. Anyone
really
can use it.
Anyone
can use it. Yeah, this is great for people at home, for log fires, or people who want to do a bit more all day. You know, the quality's there for that, but it's easy enough for anyone to use. Straightforward.
Okay.
Yep.
So the brand then, I mean, obviously, build quality is one thing, which is great, which is key.
Yep.
What else do you like about it then, since you just took on? What else
the company itself, actually, they're a large company. They've got tons of literature available, tons of videos available, lots to see online. Conversations with them, very straightforward people, you know, good engineers. They've got all 3D design systems, that sort of thing. So everything I've checked out so far stands up with them, really. What I'm looking for something I know we can sell, they seem to tick the boxes.
Yeah. And then who, I mean, it may be obvious, but who do you see this being for, this machine like this?
I would say for forestry guys mainly, but I mean, these days you've got so much with log burning fires and everything. Everyone wants a splitter at home because they're cutting down trees, buying logs, splitting them up. So they're also for the day-to-day person these days. At one time it was an industry product, but now it can be a domestic product. So again, that's why the range is so big. It covers so much on the range.
Yeah, exactly. So you mentioned this the first time you've shown it off.
It is, yeah. It only came in a few days ago. Yeah, came in on Friday last week, actually.
So Friday last week, so barely a week.
I've only had it for a few days myself, despite the videos and everything we've looked online,
And have you had the chance to use one yourself?
I have had a chance to use it. I have used this one, and I've fired up the chipper over there as well, and they work great. They work great. Like I say, because they're standalone, you don't have to do any engineering. You can just buy it on the pallet, plonk it on the floor and off off you go. Straightforward. Yeah.
And in terms of today then, people learning about the brand, talking about the brand, what are they saying?
Yeah, well the one thing they say is, wow, look at the quality of that. Like I say, they really look good, these units. They're designed well, engineered well. There's a big range market on these, from really cheap, 500 quid up to the same version of a thing, 5,000 quid. We're about slap bang in the middle on price, but I think the quality on these really stands out. And that is the thing that took me. People these days, they do want quality in this sort of market. You've got cheap and cheerful, that's for cheap and cheerful guys. We're not a cheap and cheerful company, we only sell quality. So yeah, when I saw the quality of this, I thought this is good. Checked out the prices, did some research, and yeah, this is where it needs to be. This is needs to be.
Well, listen, it's going to be exciting to see how it goes, Adam. And
Me too.
To see a brand new product in the UK and one like this.
It's very exciting for us.
Thanks very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of the show.
Will do.